Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is concentration. How much solute sits in a given volume of solution. By the end of this video, you'll know both formulas, the unit conversion trick that catches students out, and a worked example. Concentration tells you how much dissolved substance is in a solution. 2 units: grams per decimeter cubed, where C equals the mass divided by volume, and moles per decimeter cubed, where C equals the moles divided by volume. 1 decimeter cubed equals 1 litre, or 1,000 cubic centimeters. 3 things. 1. Convert centimeters cubed to decimeter cubed by dividing by 1,000. 2. Add more solvent and you dilute. Concentration drops. 3. Chemists usually work in mole per decimeter cubed because that links straight to balanced equations. Common slip. Forgetting the unit conversion. 250 centimeters cubed is 0.25 decimeter cubed, not 250 decimeter cubed. Always check whether your volume is in centimeter cubed or decimeter cubed before dividing. Wrong unit, wrong answer by a factor of 1,000. Quick example: 10 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 250 centimeters cubed of water. Convert the volume. 250 divided by 1,000 equals 0.25 decimeters cubed. So concentration equals 10 divided by 0.25 equals 40 grams per decimeter cubed. The volume conversion is the key step. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.